Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS TUF Gaming VG27VQ3B, a 27-inch curved display. So friend, this monitor is designed to enhance the gaming experience with its Full HD resolution and 1500R curvature for immersive visuals. It stands out with its high refresh rate of 180Hz and response time of 1 millisecond, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. It incorporates AMD FreeSync technology to minimize screen tearing and stuttering. Additionally, the display features ELMB Sync, which reduces motion blur in conjunction and with synchronization technology, enhancing clarity during fast-paced scene. And the monitor is equipped with several gaming-centric features, including shadow boost, which improve visibility in dark areas of the game, GamePlus, offering in-game enhancement like crosshair overlays, timers, and FPS counters, and GameVisual, providing optimized presets for different gaming genres. And the display utilizes a fast VA panel, offering wide viewing angle of 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically, a brightness level of 250 cadmium per meter square, and a high contrast ratio of 3000 Gem1 for deep blacks and vibrant colors. The display supports up to 16.7 million colors, ensuring a rich and detailed visual experience. Connectivity options include DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 2.0 port and earphone jack, with an added feature of built-in speakers rated at 2 watts for convenience. And friend, the stand allows for tilt adjustment from -5 to 23 degrees. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.